Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! Palestine! 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 Palestine will be free!
Concerned about the traffic, it's still whizzing past and you all stepping onto the road, is that okay? You can leave the banners this side, but I'm just asking if you can step and protest across that side of the road.
Is that a legal requirement to do that?
No, it's not. I'm asking you at the moment.
Okay, no worries.
I'm just asking at the moment.
If I don't stand here, it'll go away. This will be more dangerous to be true.
Right, okay. Is there any possibility you can protest from that side of the road? I appreciate you holding the banner there, but whether you can hold it across that side road. We're just concerned because the traffic's still coming down here and I just don't want anyone to get squashed.
Yeah, no, there's no way I'm going into the road, but I'll stand here and keep us safe.
I'm going to say the same to everybody along here.
Alright, no worries. I don't think we should have to move though, to be honest.
I'm just asking at the moment and just saying that what we want is that we want to work with you and you to move across the road for us and protest from that side. Otherwise we may have to bring extra police officers down to
Are you event liaison, are you? Is that what you are?
Yeah, police liaison.
Okay,
My name's Emma.
Because they met have the same, the blue.
Yeah, it's like anybody with like a blue bib. It's usually in most police forces.
Alright, excellent. It's the first one I've been to outside of London, so cool, thanks.
During the Gaza crisis, you have
Machinery, the powers that be. And then there was a discussion about.
Palestine!
Free! Free!
Palestine!
Free! Free!
Palestine!
My camera is so much better than
The
that.
Methodist Church have always been very, very supportive of the protest outside Albert, and they've opened up the church for anybody who wants to use any toilets. So they're going to be open for 10 minutes. They're just at the top of the road, you'll see it on the roundabout. If anybody needs a loo break.